Everyone, welcome back to AutoNova. Today we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Porsche 918, a model that has taken hybrid technology and supercar performance to another level. The original 918 Spyder made waves with its incredible power and eco-friendly engineering, and the 2025 update aims to do even more. In this video, we're going to break down what makes this new 918 so exciting, from its design and hybrid drivetrain to its performance and technology features. The 2025 Porsche 918 embodies the cutting edge of what Porsche can offer in terms of both speed and sustainability. Porsche's kept the iconic low-slung, aerodynamic silhouette that fans love, but introduced refined design elements that hint at its futuristic capabilities. The body is built from ultralight materials, with carbon fiber playing a major role to improve agility and fuel efficiency. At the front, sleek LED headlamps sit within redesigned, more aggressive air intakes that provide better airflow, keeping the hybrid system cool at high speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 918 boasts a powerful hybrid drivetrain. It features a high-output gasoline engine combined with electric motors, delivering a total power output that promises jaw-dropping. With over 900 horsepower, this car rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just under 2.5 seconds. Porsche has implemented its latest advancements in electric motor technology, enabling a more substantial electric-only range, allowing drivers to enjoy emission-free driving for short distances without compromising performance. Inside, the 2025 Porsche 918 is every bit as luxurious as it is powerful. The cabin is driver-focused and loaded with the latest tech. You get a high-resolution digital instrument cluster that adapts based on driving mode, whether you're in eco mode, track mode, or anything in between. Porsche has also incorporated voice-activated controls and advanced connectivity features, ensuring that drivers stay connected without losing focus on the road. The 918 also includes top-of-the-line materials, with options like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum touches that add to the car's exclusive feel. Overall, the 2025 Porsche 918 is more than just a supercar. It's a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation and performance. Whether you're a fan of high-speed thrills, cutting-edge technology, or eco-friendly driving, the 2025 918 has something to offer. So if you're excited about this car as much as we are, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in automotive technology.